This is why I don't have a 4090, a 5090, or a 5080. No, it's not because I can't afford them. It's because, I don't want my connector to melt. No, on the real note, I'm actually pretty happy with my 5070 Ti that I got for MSRP. So, little side note, this video is not about me, but that's my configuration currently. 64 gigabytes of RAM, 5070 Ti, and 9950X3D. If you're asking why I don't have a 98X3D, well, 9800X3D, that's because I'm stupid. And I got a 9950. So, let's talk about this, okay? Female streamer, posts a video of her 4090 right here with the 600 watt power cord, and it's melting. It's melting, and she's recording it, and she's not turning off the actual computer. She's just leaving it on, which is, it's stupid. Turn it off. You're damaging a 4090 by keeping this on. Now, this is not surprising at all. This was a big issue with the 5090s and the 5080s, but it was an issue with the 4090s as well, and that's melting connector cords. I know NVIDIA wants to come out and say, oh, this is user error. Clearly, she didn't put the cord in correctly. But if you watch Jay's 2 cents, you already know that that's not always the case. Pretty much there's uneven amount of power that's going to certain cords or certain lines of the cord in these connectors, and for some reason one of these cords can be like double, triple the power of another one, causes it to freaking melt, causes it to have problems. By the way, that's the most dumbed down version I could say, like the way I could explain it. For those who love tech and love computers and GPUs, you probably think, bro, you explained it like an idiot. I get that, but there's a lot of people who don't understand this type of stuff. I'm saying it in the most basic terms possible. Wattage, way too much on single cords, causes them to melt. Now, there's ways to fix this, right? There's ways to prevent this. There was actually something came out for the 5090s, which tells you how much wattage is actually going through each single cord. When I say cord, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that kind of stuff. And it controls it a little bit better, but again, even then, that's not 100%. That also has some issues sometimes, and it's a lot of power going through these cords. Now, if you don't seat this correctly yourself, you're going to have this no matter what. But there are some people who have seated them correctly, and they still melt. And again, it's a fire hazard. It's definitely dangerous. And if you ever have this happen, you pull out the plug of the power within seconds. Unplug the computer and don't plug it back in. All you're going to do is destroy your 4090. Now, with how much this is melted, that little port in there, the connector port right here, that is destroyed. That is absolutely destroyed. Now, she has white cables, right? So this is a cable extension, I would believe, right? It's not obviously stock from the company. This is not a stock cable like the adapter that comes in the box. This is a cable extension, which again could cause issues if it's not correctly set up correctly or not correct good cable. Could cause issues and could cause that burning stuff to happen. But again, listen, she wanted clout. She wanted attention on social media. She wanted views. So she posted this video saying, is this bad, instead of just unplugging it. At the end of the day, I'm sure she makes enough money that a 4090, which right now is like $3,000, by the way, isn't that much money for her. So, in the end, for her, it's probably a tax write-off to get another 4090. No big deal. And she gets clout, views, clicks, and attention toward her. So, in the end, I mean, she wins. I know a lot of people are like, oh, she's an idiot. She's so stupid. She's so stupid, right? Or some people say zero survival instinct. Not at all. She's just milking the system. She understands that in this situation, the best way to react is act dumb, get views, get attention, go viral, make money. You're just going to get a new 4090 and just instantly probably, you know, you're probably get a 4090 and, you know, it's a tax write-off. Who cares? And if she's this popular of a streamer, she's probably just going to get sent a new 4090 from like a computer company like Meta PCs or CyberPower or something, right? Or whoever, Starforge. She'll get a new PC sent to her. So I don't really think this is her being stupid. I think this is her playing the game and playing it smartly because she knows this will get attention. But anyway, yeah, that 4090 is cooked. Look at that. That's the connector port. That is cooked, bro. Wow. Okay. Well, here's a good thing. Good thing that the 4090 was cooked and not the other way, because this connects to your power supply, and when that goes, whoo-hoo, I've had a couple power supplies blow up on me. So, don't want that to happen. Anyway, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys in the next one.